Next, based on that, we have going to solve some of the problems, very important problems or the questions. So first is, I'll consider the figure shows cylindrical conductors along with their face areas and lengths are given. Area is given and lengths are given. Compare the resistance and resistivity of these three conductors. So three conductors are given. Separately, we are going to find the resistance for these three conductors. And then we have to say which has highest resistance and which has the lowest resistance. To consider that, we'll consider with Ra for the first resistor. So what is the formula for the resistor? Resistor is equals to rho L divided by A is there. See here, length given capital letter L, let me write it as rho capital letter L divided by area given A. So as it is, I'll take this as equation number 1 here. Similarly, RB is equals to, when resistor connected in that is in a B1, so in that cases rho L divided by A. Rho is a constant, it remains same itself. Length how much is given? 3L divided by area given is A divided by 3. So what will become formula? Rho 3L by 1 into A by 3, when it goes to numerator, 3 divided by A. So formula is 3 3s are rho 9L by A. So I can write this 9, I'll take outside. If I take 9 outside, formula will be rho L by A. So rho L by A is nothing but RA. So I can write 9 RA. So take this as equation number 2 here. Now let me take a resistor in the case of third one, that is rho L by A. L is nothing but L divided by 3 divided by 3A is given, area 3A. So rho L divided by 3 into 3A means 3A divided by 1. So 1 divided by 3A. So that is equals to rho into L divided by 3. 3 is a 9A. So I can write this formula as 1 divided by 9 into rho L by A. So 1 divided by 9 rho L by A means RA. So RA divided by 9. So this is the equation number 3. So now we have to see which is the highest resistance, or in our order we have to write it. If for example Ra is equals to 3 ohm. Ra is, if it is 3 ohm means 9 into 3. So Rb will become 9 3s, you will get it as 27 ohm. Next, RC is equals to Ra, if it is 3 means 3 divided by 9 means 3 ones are 3 3s. You will get 1 by 3 ohm. So now if we compare this, if for example it is Ra is 3 ohm, Rb is 27 ohm and Rc is 1 by 3 ohm. That means which is the highest resistance here? Rb is the highest resistance. So I can write Rb is greater than. Next is Ra, Rb greater than Ra greater than Rc. Okay, this is how we are going to represent the comparison of Ra, Rb and Rc. Next, we have to find out the equivalent resistance of the following. Very easy it is. So, you can see this resistor 10 ohm is connected in series with the two parallel resistance 20 ohm and as well as 20 ohm. First, we have to find out when resistor are connected in parallel. These two resistor connected, 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So that is nothing but 1 by 20 plus 1 divided by 20 here. So 1 by 20 and 20 LCM 20 here. So 1 plus 1 2. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. You will get it as 1 by 10, or 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 10. So Rp will be equals to 10 ohm. So what is the equivalent resistance I can write? This is 10 ohm, that is as it is. So this 20 ohm and 20 ohm, I have equivalent resistance as 10 ohm. So now these two resistors are connected in series. So now I can write Rs is equals to R1 plus R2, that is equals to 10 ohm plus 10 ohms. So 10 plus 10 means, so total equivalent resistance, instead of these I can represent it by the 20 ohm. Okay, this is the 20 ohm resistance I can connect instead of all these things. So the equivalent resistance is 20 ohm. Next question is, two identical resistors, each of resistance 2 ohm, are connected in turn series parallel to a battery of 12 volt. That means R1 equal to 2 ohm, R2 is equals to 2 ohm. Two resistors are also same, and we have to find out resistor when connected in series. So let me take the resistor connected in series. That means RS is equals to 2 ohm plus 2 ohm, that is equals to 4 ohm. Okay, so calculate the ratio of power consumed in two cases. So first we have to find out power in resistor connected in series. Next we have to find out the power when resistors are connected in parallel here. So let me take the formula. Power is equals to, here voltage is given, that is V is equals to 12 volt. So that means what is the formula? I have to use V square divided by R. V square by R, or I'll write V square by RS. So here I'll write PS because resistor connected in series. In that cases you are going to find it the power here. V square means 12 square divided by RS is 4. So 12 square divided by 4 means you will get it as 36 watt here. Okay, so now similarly when resistor are connected in parallel, let me take, that is 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So that means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means when resistor connected in parallel you will get 1 ohm here. Now for that PP I'll consider, that is power in the case of the parallel one, V square by R. V square is nothing but 12 into 12. 12 square by 1. So 12 12s are 144 watt. So this is power in the case of series, power in the case of parallel. Now we have to find the ratio here. So ratio power when it is connected in series divided by power connected in parallel. 36 divided by 144. If I divide it, 1s are 4s are. So PS divided by PP is equals to 1 by 4, or in the case of ratio I can write PS is to PP is equals to 1 is to 4. Okay, this is the ratio of power consumed in the two cases. Next, here at last I have made some of the formulas I have grouped into one thing, so you can utilize it if it is in the near, when it is near to examination you can refer this. So first formula, electric current charge by time, or it is also called Q by T. SI unit is ampere. Potential difference is work done by charge, that is W by Q, and its unit is V. And formula for Ohm's law, V is equals to IR, or I is equals to V by R, or R is equals to V by I. So based on this you are going to get these two formulas. So resistor, in a case you are going to represent by ohm here. Next is resistivity is equals to RA by L, that is the formula. Resistivity, SI unit is ohm meter. Similarly, formula for the resistance, either it is this formula or it is this formula. When the length, area, resistivity is given, in that cases we are going to use this formula. So R is equals to rho L divided by A. Similarly, when resistors are connected in series, this formula. When resistors are connected in parallel, this is the formula. Next, power is equals to VI, or it is also called it as the V square by R. And next, heat generated, H is equals to, or heating effect of Joule's heating effect is nothing but H is equals to I square RT. And then energy formula is, energy is equals to power into time consumed. Okay, so thank you everyone.